Hello there. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of downloading the digital version of your Indian voter ID card. To begin, visit the official website at voters.eci.gov.in. You can find the link in the video description below. If you already have an account on this website, simply log in. Otherwise, click on the sign up button to create an account and proceed from there. Please note that you can only download the voter ID card after successfully logging in. Once you have logged in, navigate to ePIC download option. ePIC stands for Electoral Photo Identity Card. Next, enter the voter ID number of the person whose card you would like to download. Select the state and click the search button. This will display the details of the person. Now click the send OTP button below. An OTP will be sent to the mobile number associated with the voter ID. Enter the OTP and click verify. You will then see the download ePIC button. Click on it to download the card to your device. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider sharing it and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.